was like, they parked over on the right. We can go take a picture for that one.
Alright, let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The man circling high overhead is a former U.S. national aerobatic champion, Red Bull Air Racer, and is one of the world's few aerobatic superstars. He's dedicated almost his entire life to extreme flying. The Pentagon Federal Credit Union presents to you from Boston, Massachusetts, Michael Goulian. As Michael dives toward show center, that Hartzell propeller, powered by a live-foaming Thunderbolt IO-580 engine at 72 miles an hour. Michael is known for giving his Airshow performance 110% every time he flies. And by the look of that entry, that's not about to change today. Airshow in 1989 when he was still a teenager and has been living his dream ever since. Today, he's one of the best airshow flyers in the world and one of only a few aviators who have received all 3 of the airshow industry's top awards. While Michael's resetting his plane, we want to thank you, our airshow fans, who are here today celebrating our freedom, our passion, and our joy of flight. All right, folks, looks like Michael's ready for the second half of the show. Okay, Mikey G, let's get it on! A series of snap rolls brings Michael back towards show center. Has earned Michael the reputation of being a true professional in his field. He's one of only a select few to have received all 3 of the airshow industry's highest awards. We can break it in if you know what I mean. Put some miles on the back of the city with the engine. To present to you, Michael Goulian.
That's the way to end it.
Got the
performance and precision that Michael showed you today comes
Well, I
from
waved to Buddy.
years of intense training and competing at top-level regional, national, and global competitions. In fact, Michael has flown on 3 U.S. World Aerobatic teams and only a few individuals have enjoyed the success that Michael has had in the airshow industry, and he feels incredibly lucky and honored to be able to make a living flying aerial displays for incredible fans like you. Our team is only able to perform at the highest levels of the industry by partnering with very special companies. Leading aerospace technologies and Benfed Credit Union support Goulian Aerosports as co-primary partners. These two amazing companies allow Michael and his team to perform at an extensive schedule of air shows from coast to coast each summer. To keep his extra 330 SC running at its peak performance, Michael relies on champion engine components, Lycoming engines, Hartzell propellers, and Bose aviation headsets. Michael also flies from show to show in a Cirrus SR-22, the amazing general aviation plane with a parachute. The Cirrus life allows Michael to be reunited with his family most Sunday evenings following a grueling air show weekend.
After Mike passes into the parking, you can taxi back to the F32.
He's going to need some water. He's going to need to hydrate. That was hard work. It just brings the water right out of him. And our celebration is going to get louder over the next little while. Shortly, we'll be handing things over to the Blue Angels.